almost 11 o'clock at night, y'all. I'm putting together an upside down brown sugar and cinnamon French toast casserole for breakfast in the morning. So I have 1 stick of butter in here. I'm going to melt this in the microwave. While it's melting, we'll measure out our brown sugar and cinnamon. Well, I have just about the right amount of brown sugar in there. I don't think I'm even going to measure that. It's very close. And we need a teaspoon of cinnamon. We need 1 cup of milk. I thought about adding some blueberries to the bottom too, but I think we'll just top it with berries or whatever in the morning. We'll just stick with just the brown sugar and cinnamon. That way the kids can pick which kind of fruit they want to put on there. I'm going to brush the sides of this casserole dish with just a little bit of olive oil. I'll just do it a little bit on the bottom too, but the butter's going on the bottom, so mostly just the sides here. So we're pouring in the butter. I'm going to be making some sausage and gravy to go with this in the morning too. Maybe some eggs. Okay, so we've got the butter in there. Make sure we get it all over. We're going to put in this brown sugar. I'm just going to sprinkle it all over the top. We need 1 cup. This might be a little less than a cup, but it's fine. It's very close. Okay, now the teaspoon of cinnamon. I got this. I think I'll just shake it on here. Get about to where we think of the teaspoon. That's probably about right. Now we're going to slice up one of these loaves of French bread. I think I'm going to do it at a slant. I'd like for it to be kind of longer pieces. I think we'll go about like that. We're just going to lay these right on top of the butter and brown sugar and cinnamon. This is going to be good, y'all. Oh yeah, what I was saying is I'm making some sausage and gravy and stuff to go with this in the morning, so I'm just making half of this recipe because everybody will want just a little piece to go with their sausage and gravy and eggs. Okay, so I'll put the rest of this bread in here. Well, you know what? I'm going to go around and put a little piece in the spots that are empty on here. That way we have the bread everywhere in there. Now, I'll put this piece back in here. This out of the way. Alright, in this bowl we're going to put 4 eggs. Oh, that one was really cracked. Whisk these all together. 1 cup of milk. A teaspoon of vanilla, and that's it. We mix this up, pour it over the top, and we're going to cover it, and it's going in the refrigerator. After it bakes in the morning, we should have a nice brown sugar cinnamon wonderfulness on the other side. Okay, y'all, it's the next morning. We're going to bake at 350 for 30 minutes covered. Then we're going to uncover it and bake for 15 more minutes. And coffee is ready.
finished getting ready. She asked me to stir the gravy. You know what that thing almost reminds you of?
What?
I don't know how you did that, but it almost kind of has almost like a little fried apple pie feeling to it. Mm-hmm. That thing is good.
All right, y'all, it's a little while later. I'm working on the meal plan. Mainly want y'all to know it's movie night. Let's see. First of all, let's see what the Aldi finds are for this week. Nothing too great this week on the Aldi finds. They do have
What about that pumpkin?
Yeah, that pumpkin's nice. They have this big 12-quart stock pot. So we have come to the conclusion that mainly has the hiccups. And we'll be going to Walmart to get the groceries this week because there's no great Aldi finds going on. I mean, there are a few, but none, like I said, that I'm like, I really want to go get that. Ingles has a few things on sale, like 2 or 3 that are a really good deal. And I might go later in the week and stock up on some of that stuff that is a really good deal. So I'm going to get everything that I need from Walmart. I already made my list. I'm not doing grocery delivery or pickup anymore because they're just struggling in that department. The last several times I did delivery, one time they said they couldn't find our house, and we've gotten delivery a bunch of times for, however many years they've been doing it now. Another time they said it was, not accessible. They couldn't get to our house for some reason, and there wasn't anything going on. 2 or 3 other times it was delayed. They're just struggling with their delivery for sure, and so then I was like, that's okay, I'll do pickup. No, I won't do pickup. Pickup was delayed. The past 2 or 3 times I tried it, it was delayed. And one time I couldn't wait. Like we had somewhere that we had to go. So yeah, we're just gonna go to Walmart here in a little bit. I already made the list. When I go to Walmart, because it's such, a big, even Ingles too, I do it this way at Ingles. At Aldi, I don't really make my list this way because Aldi's such a smaller store. You can just walk through it real quick. But Ingles, of course, is bigger than Aldi, and Walmart, bigger than Ingles. I do my list this way. That way, everything is in its own little section. So we have the produce section. Dry, I call it dry because it's dry stock, the stuff that's not in a cooler or freezer or produce. Have that section. Freezer, meats, dairy, and then non-food down here at the bottom. Now I still have to add a few things for breakfast. I got all the dinners planned out. Some of these are gonna be surprises, but I'll tell y'all some of them. We're gonna have pizzas and salads tonight, but it's not just any pizza. So y'all make sure you come back tomorrow for that. It's gonna be a different kind of pizza. One of them is, anyway. And then I have maple chipotle pork chops with loaded smashed potatoes one night. We're gonna be making a new chili recipe. And then we're gonna have honey pecan chicken and salads on another night. Yeah, we're gonna make that one now. Does it look yummy? It looks yummy. And then we're gonna bring back a very old recipe. We made this, probably the last time we made it was 5 years or so ago. It's a beefy French onion pot pie. Then we're gonna have a fish and chicken night with rice. That's gonna be a baked fish and a grilled chicken, because not everybody likes fish, so that's why I'm gonna do fish and chicken with rice and some vegetables. And then on the other night is a chicken recipe. That's gonna be a fun one. So I feel like I planned a lot of chicken things, but that's okay. Let's see, Manny Mac. Oh yeah, I had a dessert thing written down right here. All right, we've got breakfast, lunches, and desserts planned now. For breakfast, we're gonna have fall breakfast sandwiches one morning, pumpkin waffles, and then I'm gonna do some burritos, some different kind of breakfast burritos. And then for all the other days, we'll just do oatmeal, cereal, fruit, yogurt, just find what you want. Breakfast, eggs, bacon, you know, just the regular things like we always make for breakfast. And then desserts this week, we're gonna make an apple pan pie, pumpkin spice Rice Krispie treats, and then we have a no-bake fall cheesecake cups that we're gonna make, and they can be apple ones or pumpkin ones or just plain. But I needed to write down something else for that, or we can do peanut butter ones. These are gonna be make your own little fall no-bake cheesecake thing. All right, that's it. We've got the meal plan ready to go, Mr. Man. Now the hard part. We go to Walmart.
That was the fun part, actually.
It was more fun for me when they delivered it to my door.